Hi, my name is Stewart, and I'm an attorney from Northern California, and my practice focuses on business law, estate planning, and intellectual property. Now, today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about intellectual property and trademark and how that impacts your business. In particular, I'd like to talk about your business name or your most important products that you have. Now, when you choose the name that your business is going to operate under, or one of your important products, you have to make sure that really no one else is using it, or if somebody else is, that at least it's sufficiently different from yours or in a different enough industry so that you can use it without any problems. A lot of people think that when they create, say, a corporation or an LLC, as long as they've filed the articles with the Secretary of State and have received them back, that you're okay to use that name. But the Secretary of State is not checking to see if the trademark is available. All they're really checking is to see if there's anybody else in that given state that has the same name. So, if you have a trade name that's very important to you in California, and there's somebody out in Wisconsin that has that trade name too, or that trademark on a product, you should be aware of that before you set up your business, or before you name it, or before you sell an important product that has that name on it. So how do you go about doing that? Well, some people also think that you can get trademark rights by registering a domain name. That isn't the case either. Now, a domain name can come to have trademark rights later, but you have to use that domain name as a trademark. In other words, the domain name itself has to come to identify your goods and services with your business. So the best way to check out and see what's going on in the world of trademarks and how it applies to you is go on to the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office's website at www.uspto.gov. They have a fairly user-friendly search option. All you do is just plug your name in there for your business or your product and find out what's out there. Now, there may be things that have a similar or the same name, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't use it. There are a lot of factors that go into whether or not you can get your trademark registered and whether or not somebody can legitimately claim that you're infringing it. That has to do with the look and feel of the mark, the industry, things like that. The general question, though, that you should always ask yourself is, if I was a relevant consumer and I was just walking by and made a snap judgment, would I be confused about the source of goods and services between the two marks? It's not the kind of thing where you look at it for a long period of time and analyze the differences. It truly is that snap decision judgment that you make when you're walking down a grocery aisle, whether or not two things are similar. If you have any more questions about trademarks and how they apply to starting your business, please feel free to contact me at my law firm. Thanks.